Super 8. It's easy to shoot, looks great, and other than in the 1960s and 70s, has never been more popular. And now you can learn how to process it yourself at Ben's Super 8 Workshop. That's right, for a select few participants, International Super 8 expert Ben Slotover will take you behind the scenes and reveal all his secrets to show you, yes you, how it's done. You'll experience the mysterious world of mixing up developers, loading your film into a tank, bleaching, fixing and finishing to create your very own movie masterpiece. Why send your film to a laboratory and wait weeks for them to develop it, when for a fraction of the price, Ben will show you how to do it in a few hours in the comfort of your own home. Got a Super 8 camera? Don't know if it works? Bring it down and test it out. Don't have a camera? We'll provide one for you. Don't have any experience? It doesn't matter. Under Ben's skillful instruction, you'll be shooting and developing your film in next to no time. Fancy a cup of tea? It's included. And so is cake. Book your place on Ben's Super 8 Workshop today. Spaces are limited.
Ben's Super 8 Workshop accepts no responsibility for cuts, bruises, poisonings, chemical burns, clothing damage, inhalation of toxic fumes, being called an idiot on the street, or ruinously expensive hobbies involving decades-old media formats.